Real Estate Investment Trust and Infrastructure Investment Trust are transforming the investment landscape, offering unique opportunities for investors to tap into real estate and infrastructure assets. Real Estate Investment Trust are companies that own, operate, and finance income producing real estate. They allow investors to earn dividends from real estate investment without having to buy or manage any properties themselves. Focus: generate income through owning and operating income producing real estate assets like offices, malls, hotels, warehouses. Investment landscape primarily traded on stock exchange, providing liquidity and transparency. Returns: distribute a significant portion of income, minimum 90% to investors as dividend, ensuring a steady income stream. Benefits: offer diversification, access to professionally managed real estate portfolios, and potentially higher returns compared to traditional investment. Infrastructure investment trusts are a type of investment vehicle that allows investors to participate in the income and growth of infrastructure projects. They are similar to mutual funds, but they most focus on infrastructure assets such as roads, power plants, telecom towers, etc. Focus: investment in infrastructure projects like roads, bridges, power plants, and renewable energy assets. Investment landscape typically not listed on stock exchange, offering limited liquidity but potentially higher yields. Returns: distribute a major portion of income, minimum of 90% to investor through a regular payouts, providing a stable income stream. Benefits: provide exposure to critical infrastructure, contribute to national development, and offer attractive fixed income returns.